And this fire was fast, and it came up about the 3 miles up that ridge, like just in no time at all.
We got out, but I will never, ever wait that long again. It just, we kept thinking that it was going to be better than it was, and it wasn't.
You walk by your neighbors and everything's gone.
It hurts. It's going to take a long time to recover from this.
It takes your life away. The things that you worked for, the things that you cherished.
Their whole life, you know, their whole life is gone.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.